Today I'm taking a look at the Dowel Jig. So it comes with a bunch of wooden dowels. Looks like we got different sizes in here as well. Here's our jig. We can see these holes are threaded and these holes are just straight drills. So we use an insert for these holes and then we just drill straight into these holes. So these can accommodate a quarter, 3/8, or 5/16. This is a 7/16 and this is a 1/2 inch hole. I can also see we got this handle on here and that will spread the main body apart. We can use that to clamp onto a board to make sure that we're getting a perfectly centered hole. Comes with a couple of drills and it even has a couple of stop collars in there. We got an Allen wrench and we got our inserts. So we can see we got a couple different sizes on there. They're not labeled, but we can pretty much guess that they are quarter, 3/8, and 5/16. So I'm going to use my two 5/16 inserts and I'll clamp my board in. So there we go. Now I can clamp in my T. And we got a matching set of holes. And we can fit in our dowels and clip that together. So now we got some lineup pins. So overall, interesting tool. If you want to get some repeatable holes, this is going to be an excellent way to do that.